Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making strawberry French pancake. Bread 2 slices. Cocoa spread 1 tablespoon. Please avoid Nutella. Go for local brands. We have so many brands instead of Nutella. Egg 1. Sugar 3 tablespoon. Milk 2 tablespoon. Strawberry essence half tablespoon. Whisk the egg. Butter 1 tablespoon. On medium heat. Toast bread on both sides until done. Strawberry 2 cut into slices. Sprinkle sugar. With the help of cooking torch, I am caramelizing sugar. If you liked my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye.